How to become a professional woodworker so you can make work like in this video. And here are tips for becoming a professional carpenter. If you enjoy creating with your hands and working with power tools, you might enjoy a career in woodworking. Woodworking combines technical, mathematical, and physical skills, making it a promising career choice for those who prefer hands-on training to formal education. In this video, we discuss the skills involved in woodworking and review how to become a professional woodworker, as well as salary and job outlook. What does a woodworker do? A woodworker is a tradesperson who crafts objects with wood, veneers, laminate, and other materials. They design, build, and install items such as cabinets, shelves, and furniture. Woodworkers may also incorporate other materials into their designs, such as ceramic tiles, glass, and metals. Woodworkers often specialize in distinct areas and can be further classified as cabinet makers, furniture finishers, makers, builders, and finish carpenters. They may own their own business or work for companies like furniture manufacturers and antique restoration companies. Mechanically inclined and good with their hands, woodworkers may be required to read and interpret planning documents, such as architectural drawings, schematics, and blueprints, discuss design and function with clients, install, maintain, and repair woodworking equipment and tools, select, purchase and transport wood and other materials, operate heavy machinery, such as computerized numerical control machines, and tools, such as saws and sanders, manipulate wood, laminate, veneers, and other materials, attach hardware, like drawer pulls and knobs, using fasteners and adhesives when needed, prepare pieces for fitting with glass, electrical components, stone or other elements, stain, paint, or seal finished products. Skills needed to become a woodworker. Woodworkers must be proficient in using tools and solving mechanical problems. They prepare, calibrate, maintain, and repair a range of woodworking instrumentation and operate machinery. They also need to have the math and technical skills it takes to plan, understand, and execute their projects, and need physical strength and superior hand-eye coordination to do so. A woodworker will also need to understand the following: how to complete a project in every aspect from start to finish, how and when to use various machinery and tools, such as various saws and drills, varying applications and qualities of wood, along with the cuts, knots, and techniques common to the craft processes, such as sanding, staining, and varnishing.